trying.
Attention, ladies and sombreros. I give you 2 more members of the Habanero Halfback Club.
I still can't feel my tongue, but it was totally worth it.
Go ahead, hang your hats on the wall.
First, I think you would like to say a few things.
Okay. No one's ever done that before, but life's a journey.
Today, we stand on the shoulders of the giants who came before us. Yes. It is with great pride and humility that we become the first women to hang our hats on the Habanero Halfback.
What are you talking about? Like half the names up there are girls.
Okay. No. Like Max, Chris, Terry, Jordan, Pat, Alan.
Those are also girls' names.